everyone, this is going to be a quick video showing you how to get the cleaning kit out of the stock on an AK. So first thing we're going to do is make sure that the gun's empty. As you can see, there's no magazine in it. Nothing in the chamber. The weapon's clear. So, if you have a stock like this where it has a place for your cleaning kit, the way to get this out is just take and push on the trap door, keep pushing, and then eventually the cleaning kit comes out. Now to put it back in, all you do is take, and this end, not the cap end, the bottom, put it on there, push it in, keep pushing, and you'll hear a little sound when it goes deep enough, right there, and you'll feel the trapdoor against your finger. From there, just let it out, and there you go. So again, push in, comes out, push in all the way, and it goes right back in. I'll give you a side view. There you go. Now on a stock like these k-var stocks, you may have to modify the stock a little bit or have someone modify it for you so that the cleaning kit goes in and out freely. This stock here did not let the cleaning kit in and out freely when I first got it. So what I just did was I took the butt plate off in the trap door. I filed a little bit in there right where the cleaning kit rests against on the sides. And now it goes in and out freely just like that, as you can see. No problem at all. You can also use sandpaper, but I just found it easier to use a file. Of course, slow, because this is polymer, so it's taking quite a bit off at one time. But took off just enough, and now it works perfectly for me. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful and informative. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll see you next video. See ya!